Hi, this is Group 11 from ME240, and we just got done making our own motor in class. So now we're going to give you a little video on how this project went down. First, we're going to give you an introduction to the objective of the project. Then we'll talk to you about the materials we needed to create our own motor. Then we'll explain the simple mechanism of how the motor works. And then finally, we'll show you a video of our motor in action. But first, we're going to introduce ourselves. My name is Cody Wood. I'm a sophomore in mechanical engineering.
Hey, my name is Ardit Shuka. I'm an undergrad at Penn State University, majoring in electrical engineering.
Hi, I'm Eric, senior nuclear engineering at Penn State, and I'm in the ME240 class, and this is our electric motor.
The objective of this project is to learn how a DC motor works and interact with it a little bit before we get into dissecting them during class. The materials we needed for this project are as follows: 5 disc magnets, 2 large paper clips, 1 plastic cup, about 2 feet of copper wire, masking tape, 2 D batteries, 2 electrical wires with alligator clips at both ends, wire strippers, sandpaper, a black Sharpie marker, a battery holder, and of course adult supervision. The mechanisms behind this battery-powered DC motor are fairly straightforward. When the loop of wire is completed from the battery through the coil and back to the battery, a current is created inside the coil of wires. This current goes through a magnetic field which we created by placing the magnets on the top and bottom of our plastic cup. Now when the electrons in the current and the magnetic field interact, a force is created on the electrons. This force is perpendicular to both the magnetic field and the direction of motion of the electrons. This creates a net torque on the coil of wires and causes it to spin, as we will see in this next video. The fact that we coil the wire so many times is to create more of a net torque on our coil of wires. The more times that we wrap the coil around in the loop, the more instances where the current will interact with the magnetic field and create more force on the coil of wires. Now here's a video of our motor in action. For all of Group 11, I'd like to thank you, and I hope that you enjoyed watching the motor we made.